Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about Peptonix Hair Oil Review, whether it's legit or just another scam. Quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on publicly available research and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. Now, according to the official website, Peptonix is marketed as an advanced hair oil blend designed to fight hair thinning and support scalp health. It claims to be natural, fast-acting, and effective for most men struggling with hair issues. But is that really the case? The red flags are on Trustpilot 3.7 stars with 29 reviews, several one-star reviews warn of non-delivery, poor customer service, and subscription scams. Users report waiting weeks with no product, being billed repeatedly, and struggling to cancel subscriptions. The checkout process includes a pre-checked-out subscription box, meaning you may unknowingly sign up for recurring payments. One reviewer put it bluntly, it's a scam targeting men's insecurities, disgusting people. For the final verdict, while Peptonix hair oil might contain some useful ingredients, its shady billing practices and poor customer support make it hard to trust. If the company doesn't stand by its delivery or refund policies, sets a major red flag, no matter how good the product claims to be. Now, if you're serious about hair care, talk to a licensed dermatologist or look for more transparent, reputable brands. Don't fall for slick ads and confusing checkouts. Your wallet and your scalp deserve better. Stay smart and stay skeptical.